In this video we uncover two built-in functions, iter and next, that quietly power every for loop you have ever written in Python. An iterable is like a list of items. Calling iter on it creates a cursor called an iterator. Each call to next moves that cursor forward by 1, until there is nothing left. Imagine a music playlist. The playlist is the iterable. Calling iter gives you a remote control. Every time you press next you hear one more song. And when the playlist is over, you get a StopIteration signal. Here is our whole program. We have a list of 3 colors. We will call iter once to get an iterator, then call next 4 times and watch what happens step by step. Line 1 binds the name colors to a list. Line 3 calls iter, which creates a brand new iterator object and binds it to the name it. The iterator's internal cursor is positioned before the first item. Each call to next advances the cursor by 1 and returns that item. First call returns red, second returns green, third returns blue. The cursor has now passed the last item. The fourth call to next finds nothing left. Python raises a StopIteration exception, which is the official signal that this iterator is exhausted and there are no more values to give. Running the program prints red, green, then blue. The fourth call triggers StopIteration, which we catch here, so it prints a friendly message instead of crashing. A for loop is just a shortcut. Under the hood it calls iter once, then keeps calling next until it catches StopIteration and stops quietly. Doing it by hand exposes exactly that same sequence. Remember, iter creates the cursor, next moves it one step, and StopIteration means you have reached the end. That 3-step cycle is the beating heart of every for loop in Python.